Welcome to Luxury Insider. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of high-end smart home technologies that are transforming the way we live. From intelligent lighting systems to advanced security solutions, these innovations offer unparalleled convenience and comfort. Join us as we discover how cutting-edge technology is seamlessly integrated into luxury homes, setting new standards for modern living. Smart home technologies are often seen as symbols of luxury due to their ability to seamlessly integrate advanced automation, convenience, and personalized experiences into daily living. These systems can control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with just a touch or voice command, offering unparalleled comfort and efficiency. The high cost of smart home technology is influenced by factors such as cutting-edge hardware, sophisticated software, and the need for professional installation. Additionally, ongoing maintenance and compatibility with other high-end devices contribute to the overall expense. Ultimately, the blend of innovation, exclusivity, and enhanced lifestyle makes these technologies a premium choice for homeowners. Advanced home automation systems are transforming the way we interact with our living spaces. These systems offer seamless control over lighting, climate, and security, all through sophisticated and intuitive interfaces. With just a few taps or voice commands, users can adjust their environment to suit their preferences. Integration across devices ensures that every aspect of the home works together efficiently, providing both comfort and peace of mind. Modern security solutions have evolved to offer unprecedented levels of protection and convenience. Biometric access systems, such as fingerprint and facial recognition, ensure that only authorized individuals can enter secure areas. AI-driven surveillance continuously monitors environments, quickly detecting unusual behavior or potential threats. Integrated panic rooms provide a safe haven in emergencies, seamlessly blending into home or office designs while offering robust defense features. Together, these advancements create a comprehensive approach to safety and peace of mind. Luxury entertainment systems are designed to transform your home into a personal oasis of sound and vision. With immersive home theaters, you can enjoy cinema-quality experiences without leaving your living room, complete with high-definition visuals and surround sound. Multi-room audio systems allow you to seamlessly enjoy your favorite music in any space, creating a harmonious atmosphere throughout your home. Custom cinema experiences are tailored to your preferences, offering unique features like automated lighting, plush seating, and advanced acoustic treatments for the ultimate in-home entertainment. High-end smart kitchens are transforming the way we cook and entertain. These spaces feature intelligent appliances that can be controlled remotely, learn your preferences, and even suggest recipes based on available ingredients. Automated wine cellars maintain optimal conditions for each bottle, ensuring perfect preservation and easy access. Personalized culinary technology, such as smart ovens and connected refrigerators, streamlines meal preparation and adapts to individual tastes. Together, these innovations create a seamless and luxurious cooking experience. Recent advancements in wellness and comfort are transforming how we experience our living and leisure spaces. Climate-adaptive environments automatically adjust temperature and humidity, ensuring optimal comfort regardless of external conditions. Smart spas now offer tailored relaxation experiences, using technology to customize water temperature, pressure, and even aromatherapy settings. Personalized lighting systems adapt to individual preferences and daily routines, enhancing mood and supporting overall well-being. Together, these innovations create environments that prioritize both physical comfort and mental relaxation. Modern outdoor spaces are being transformed by a range of exclusive technologies. Automated pools now offer features like self-cleaning systems and remote temperature control, making maintenance effortless. Smart landscaping integrates sensors and app-based controls to manage irrigation and lighting with precision. Weather-responsive features, such as retractable awnings and climate-adaptive lighting, ensure comfort and efficiency regardless of changing conditions. Together, these innovations create outdoor environments that are both luxurious and highly functional. The future of luxury smart homes is being shaped by rapid advancements in technology, offering unprecedented levels of comfort and convenience. Innovations such as artificial intelligence, voice-activated controls, and seamless home automation are transforming everyday living experiences. Homeowners can now personalize their environments with intuitive systems that anticipate their needs, from climate control to entertainment. As these technologies evolve, the line between functionality and luxury continues to blur, setting new standards for modern living. We appreciate your interest in Luxury Insider. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of the world's most exclusive technologies and refined lifestyles. Our journey continues as we uncover the innovations and experiences that define true luxury.